So our next one is a duplicate index. So what is the duplicate index? So when developers develop the system and adding indexes and creating tables, they are creating indexes, and time by time they are creating indexes for the better performance, and they forget about how many indexes they have created and what is the purpose of indexes. Sometimes it happens that they create a multiple indexes on the same tables, same column. PostgreSQL provides you way to create that. So that's the problem, because it is taking space, extra space, because you have created a multiple indexes on same column of the table. So here I write a query for you where you can see how many duplicate indexes you have in your system. So if you are not using that duplicate indexes, so you can just remove that indexes. So at least you can remove one of them, or you should have one index on same column. So here in this query, you can see a rel name. A rel name is a table name. You can see the table name or rel name, because rel name means relation name. So it's synonym of table name. So we have a table bar, which second column has two multiple greater than one means multiple B-tree indexes. So our bar table has column which has multiple B-tree indexes. So I just put that count static is greater than 1. That means it's have indexes more than 1. So you can tweak that query to have different values for that. Another query, just an interesting one, that where we can have the value spotted data type for a particular indexes. So I just wrote a query here where you can just give the index name and you can get the which kind of an operator class, operator family that can use that index. So here I just put the gin and gist at the end of, you can see am name is equal to gin or am name is equal to gin. You can put hash, you can put b-tree, and you can see the operator family, which kind of an operator family it can support. So PG stat user indexes and PG stat statement. These are two views. Basically, PG stat user index is a view to give you the idea of indexes. So not the idea, but actually the name of the index. So you can query that index how many tuple read, IDX tuple reads, IDX tuple fetch, IDX scan, relation name. You can get the information from this view. So send your comments and question below this video. Take the full course and pass the quiz in our Google class. To get the certificate, just open Google Classroom and click join class. Thank you.